Alright, what's up there YouTubers? It's your girl shayskyler and I'm back with another video. What's up if you're new to my channel, and what's up if you're a returning subby? Welcome, welcome, welcome. So today this video is going to be sponsored by Allove Hair. They sent me a 24-inch loose deep wave wig. Okay, this is a 13x4 wig with their 10A Brazilian hair. The curls are absolutely beautiful. Alright guys, so this is Allove Hair. Okay, this is their 13x4 loose deep wave wig in natural hair color, and the curl pattern is gorgeous. Alright, and this is how it looks stretched. It smells like hair. So the construction of the wig, 13x4 lace. As you can see, the hairline is gorgeous. Okay, so it is pre-plucked. I'll probably go in and do a little bit more plucking, but I want you guys to see how it lays on my skin. So on the inside, we have 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back. We have some lace in the back that I usually just cut off, and then of course the lace here. It looks like it's definitely big head friendly, and of course we have our adjustable straps here that we can use to make it tighten or whatnot. Alright guys, so for this portion, I'm going to take my Got To Be glue, and I'm going to take that and I'm going to apply that to the perimeter of my head. I'm going to put where I purchased mine from, 3 in a pack on Amazon. So once I finish, I'm just going to pull the cap down on the glue, and then I actually just took the blow dryer and I blow dried it for 5 minutes. Just so I can make sure that it sticks to my head, and I like to cut out my ears so it's easier for me to cut along the sides once I finish blow drying. I'm now going to add some of the freezing spray by Got To Be glue to make sure that it stays down and it lays as flat as possible before I cut it off. Blow drying for about 5 minutes. Next, it's all dried, so I'm going to just take my scissors and I'm going to use the scissors to cut around the perimeter of the cap. Once I'm finished, I'm just going to take some foundation and add that to the cap so it is nice and flawless. Now we're going to get back to the wig. And I don't like to use bleach, so for all of you that don't like to use bleach when you are applying your wig, what I like to use is the airbrush legs, and this is in the color Tan Glow, and this is how it looks. So I just take that and then I just spray it on the lace. I'm going to take some of this just so it can dry. And you can let that sit, or you can blow dry it, and then once it's finished drying, then I'm going to come back and apply it. Alright guys, so next I'm going to take my Ghost Bond glue, and I'm just going to apply that to the perimeter of where the cap is. And I'm going to put about 2 layers of that on there just to make sure I get enough coverage. And then once I finish applying it, I'm going to just take my hand and I'm going to rub it to make sure that it lays as flat as possible. Then I'm going to take my Got To Be glue freezing spray, and I'm going to add some of that on top to make sure when I apply the wig that it gives me a nice hold. And I'm just going to let that dry. You can blow dry it, air dry it, fan it dry, whichever you prefer. Alright guys, next I'm going to go ahead and apply the wig with the lace on. I'm just going to hold it down and make sure that I'm applying it and laying it really flat, pressing it down. It doesn't matter about the glue because we'll go ahead and remove that. So this is how we're looking right now. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and style it. These curls are way too tight for me. They're really pretty, but it's 24 inches, so I would just like longer curls. Okay, I know I want my part on this side, and you can see the parting looks very natural. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix my part. I don't know what's up with me and left parts now, but I love me a left part. Go ahead and blow dry this. All right, so blowing drying this is just gonna help me to stretch the curls more because they're really tight for me. So I really just want a looser curl. So I'm just gonna take my blow dryer on low heat and just go ahead and stretch the hair. This is how far the unit comes on me, 24 inches, and I am 5'5", so that's how it's looking. This is how it looks in the back. All right, and this wig will run you, I believe it's $156, which is pretty good because I've been looking, you know, I've been trying to purchase my own wigs as well in longer lengths, and y'all, I can't. I want a good 30-inch wig like this, and it's a crazy price, even like the lengths between 24, 22 even. So it's a good price. I love the hair. We're gonna do the shedding test. I'm gonna take away all the hairs in the comb, and I'm just gonna give it a comb through. And like I said, the curls are very pretty. I have not added anything to the curls of this hair. You can see a strand of hair. I thought it was a strand, maybe not. So like a little tiny piece of hair. So nothing, all I did was just add something right here, like my bed head right here for when I'm just flat ironing the hair. But yeah, I love this hair. It is pre-plucked. I didn't do any plucking on this unit. This is how the unit comes. So it's great. It's beginner friendly, which is very important for those of you who are not used to styling your wig. So on a scale of 1 to 10, right now I'm giving this wig 10. Okay, all 10s. This wig is very pretty. I've actually review Allove hair before, and I'll put their video of the hair that I reviewed up there. So yeah, if you have any more questions or any comments, let me know. And yeah, the parting space is great, the lace is great. And if you saw how I tinted it using the airbrush leg spray, then that's how I tinted. But yeah, I really love this hair, guys. So thanks so much for watching. Love you guys so much. Make sure you thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, you're gonna click that notification bell to get notified when I definitely upload new videos. Okay, I love you guys so much. Sending positive vibes, positive energy to everyone that's watching this video. Many prayers, because a lot of people have lost so many people during this time and during this year. So I'm praying for your strength and your endurance to stay in this race of life. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Love you so much. Bye.